Ready? Hit that heel. Hit that heel. Now give me that kia. Now give me another one, hard as you can. Kia. Okay, now we're gonna do just like we always do. 1 and 2, just touch it to get your distance. Third one, you're gonna have to ride that thing in kia. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, and remember, you're gonna push that foot out and hook it. So you wanna push it towards me, and then wham! 2, 3. Oh, that was my hand. That's okay. 1. Yeah, get your timing. 2, 3. Whoa, you're almost there. Let me get on the side. Right over here. Let me hold it like this. There you go. Ready? Daddy, you want to try this? Try this. Get that one up front. Yeah, that's your right side. This should be your better side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the side you want to break every time.
Yay!